It's only 250 cubes. Why the hell would I buy that? It's an inline 6. And it just is right under the hood of that thing. Alright, let's get it out the back of the truck. So why on earth did I go with a 250 cubic inch Smogger inline 6 from 79? Well, quite honestly, I could have done an LS. I could do a small block Chevy. I've got one that I'm going to pull out of this thing here pretty soon. It doesn't seem right. I want to open the hood and see an inline 6. And I also want to be able to get parts. Like this 700R4 and this 14 bolt. So parts for these are still mostly available. A lot easier to get than a 235 in town, that's for sure. So since these share a lot of the small block components, starters, alternators, power steering pumps, etc., they're actually pretty easy to get parts for. So I went with this 79 GMC 250 cube inline 6 with all the emissions controls and the 2-barrel Variajet. Anyway, that's the video. Like if you like it, dislike if you thought it sucked. Just always have a good one.